Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to install Postman. The use of Postman tool is to test our API for basic four operations, which is get, put, post, and delete. So get is an operation which is used to read the data. Post is an operation which is used to create a data. Put is an operation which is used to update the data, and delete is an operation to delete the data. So to use Postman, first of all, you have to go to download it from the website. You can search it in Google, and you can come to the Postman official website directly, and you can download the Postman. Once you download and install it, let us go back to our application here. It is still in running mode. I'm just stopping it and running it again, and it will open a browser for us. Just copy this URL. I have copied it. Now I'm coming back to our Postman. I'm just simply opening a new tab. Here, select the get request from the drop down and paste the URL which we have copied from the browser, and let us test the get functionality and call our value controller. Okay, if I click on send here, it should get me the data. It should read the data through our API. And now you can see that here we have a list of department information, which is nothing but using get operation. We have requested over HTTP protocol, and we have tested our API. So this video ends here. In our upcoming videos, we will be creating the model classes to work with our database tables, and we will be performing create, update, delete operations in our upcoming videos. Until then, please take care, and we'll see you in our next video.